Welcome to Indpro's Technical Content Series for Understanding Bulk Solids Handling Products, Part 3. Today, we'll be talking about lump breakers and the importance of lump breakers in bulk solids handling. A lump breaker is an essential component in a bulk solids handling system which essentially breaks down lumps of sizes ranging from 10 to 20 millimeters to up till 300 millimeters that once passed through the lump breaker prevent any sort of clogging or blockages in a bulk solids handling system. These come in various configurations. What you see next to me is a round lump breaker which is used to easily connect below a circular hopper or a silo. We also have models which are rectangular in nature. The circular ones range from a diameter of 300 millimeters to 500 millimeters, and the rectangular ones range from 500 millimeters to 1000 millimeters. These are made in any type of SS constructions ranging from SS 304, 316 and 316L depending on the corrosive properties of the material that this type of a machine is handling. There is a motor and a gearbox that powers this device through a shaft that propels the cutting blades that are present inside the lump breaker. There is a stator, which are the rods that you see here, and there is a breaker, which are the beaters that you see over here. In case of the round lump breaker, we have a single shaft design, whereas for a rectangular lump breaker, we have twin shaft designs that provide a more robust and heavy duty cutting action. There are various applications for the lump breaker which include unloading of small bags and jumbo bags from either bag dump stations or jumbo bag unloading stations. So whatever lumps are present inside 25 kilo bags or in 1 ton super sacks can easily be broken down with this machine that integrates very well with all of our other products. It can also integrate very well with storage devices or also dryers where lumps are created very frequently.
Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching.